Now we are going to take the G1 vehicle out of the box. So be careful with this. Here's a This is the G1 vehicle, which is I think over 90% is die cast. And there is a transparent plastic at the cockpit. And this is a door here, and when you open it, you can insert or plug the wheel here. And there are also some the wheel accessory you can plug here. You can have a choice whether to have it open or closed. It's quite heavy. For the dimension, it is about 7 inches. In the length and approximately 6 inches in width. And there is also a stand. You can put the G1 vehicle on the stand, something like that. And we can compare with the G1 vehicle, or maybe you can put it together on a shelf. I think this G1 vehicle, for this G1 vehicle, the Artstorm has reissued once only in a box set of G1, but for the rest G2, 3, and 4, and Red in process, there isn't any reissue. So that is the G1 vehicle. The freight.